Hey everybody, this is Jock Wakefield with another video, and I know it's been a while since I shot one. It's been a lot of crazy distractions going on, but I'm glad to be back and glad to shoot a video for everybody that's looking to make some extra money online. I'm back to be shooting a video for my subscribers. But let me get into the best survey site on the planet. I can't say enough about this site. I've been testing it out last couple months, and this one is the best. I used to say other ones are the best, and there's still a lot of other ones that I recommend, but this one right here is the absolute best. It's called Survey Junkie. I think it's been around 2 or 3 years now, and you will never run out of surveys with this. Also, when you get set up, they'll ask you questions if you want to test products, and you get to keep them. You can do phone interviews for money. You can also do in-person or online focus groups, and you can do surveys. Uh, with this one, $100 points equals $1, and they break it down for you. Like right here, you see 144 points. Then you got the it breaks down how much that is, which is $1.44. When you get $10, you're able to redeem through PayPal, or they got other ways too. When you sign up, you want to go, you'll see your name instead of mine and your picture if you add one. You want to go to settings, and there you can put in your PayPal information and your address and all of that stuff if you want to receive a check or whatever. But this, if you want all the surveys you can ever handle, this survey site right here, Survey Junkie, is a must, because you will never run out of surveys to take. So as you can see here, and they're gonna email you and let you know as well. They're not just gonna show you what you got in the back office. You also gonna get emails letting you know that, hey, you need to go log in and see what all kind of surveys that they got. But like I say, it's not even just surveys. They'll be asking you questions. Do you want to test products and get to keep them, and do surveys about that? Like I say, phone interviews for money, in-person focus groups or online focus groups to do. And like I say, 1,000 points equals $10. And you can redeem that through PayPal and other payment methods they got. But like I say, when you get set up, you most definitely want to go to your settings and enter all your information. So when it's time for you to get paid, it won't be no hold up. So, but Survey Junkie is the best survey site on the planet. But I'm gonna be shooting more videos about other survey sites too. But this one right here, I just seen one that's well put together and dialed in, like they got it as far as their platform and as far as many surveys that they have. So I'm gonna put the link below. Also, I'm gonna put a link to my blog so you can see all the other stuff I got going on. I do a lot of other different things, online and offline. And make sure you most definitely subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell and get started making money with Survey Junkie for free. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day, and y'all take care. Peace.